Hello and welcome to another video with Karim the chef, cook and bake. Today I'm gonna do stuffed aubergine with kofta and cooked, slow cooked, yeah. Basically, you can see here the ingredients. I have some boiled potato. I have some kofta here, which you can order from your butcher, or you can make it yourself. Just minced lamb and red onion, parsley, cumin, paprika, and salt. So you mix it together, and after you make it like a small sausage. Here you have size. Here is size like a pig's in blanket. I have some sliced red onion, and I have here some tomato sauce, which is or tomato puree. I just some chopped tomatoes, which I cook them in oil with parsley, coriander, and paprika, cumin. Here I have a sliced aubergine, which I sliced already, and I have my griddle here, which I start already grilled. I have a pot here, which I use to finish my dish and cook it slowly. Bit of time to that is hot now. So. I think we talk about all the ingredients. Yeah, like I say, tomato sauce. You know, I cook it, reduce it until it becomes this like that. So it's not soup, but it's thick a little bit. So when you buy a griddle, it's better to have a heavy one because it didn't burn. It's better than the, sometimes you find cheap one in the market, but they are not good. So it's better to have heavy stuff. If you want to score it like that, your aubergine to score it like that. So when you put it in the griddle, you move it just a little bit like that. So to have this this score like that. Try to make it as simple as I can, but to make something tasty, you need to have well, I'm not saying a lot of ingredients, but enough ingredient to make good recipe. But two things or three things are not worth it. Bring my pot here so you can see what I'm doing. As I say, it's a heavy one, so you can use a tagine if you have a tagine, which you can cook on it, because there is some tagines it's just you can't use it for cooking, so it will broke or will release the. So I'm gonna put a little bit of tomato sauce, not too much here, because I don't want, just a little bit. Put some olive oil. Don't put too much because the lamb, there is some fat on the lamb, so it releases the fat. Maybe too much grease in the dish. So this is why you should. I put my red onion and slowly put my potatoes on top. So, as I say, the potato is already cooked, so boiled in the water fast and keep it on the side, because if I put it here, it will take a long time to cook the potato, and well, we can start stuffing our aubergine. So I take my aubergine like that. My aubergine, take a piece of and roll it like that. Another one until we finish. Try to find you some recipes which is simple. So if you have all the ingredients at home, so you can see it's easy. Just put everything ready next to you, and you can put it in oven if you want. And you can put it in the stove for slow or low heat. Sure it's just like this one. Yeah, we start it here. Everything is cooked and it's just to cook the kofta. Don't have enough aubergine for that, but no problem. Just like that. You can see here my dish. So it's the aubergine. Sorry, I have some red onion, tomato, and potatoes. And after I put my stuffed aubergine with the kofta, put it a little bit here, and put the kofta on the top. We will go and ready to cook. Slow heat. We meet later, maybe in a few minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. So here is the kofta, is ready. So you can see here the kofta, I think. Yeah, you can see how it's coming. Nice. You see all the. We'll come back. So as I said, if you don't like the aubergine or you prefer to use like a grilled courgette, you can do the same. I want to say is the dish is the same ingredient like moussaka, but different ways. I hope you enjoyed the video with us tonight, and please don't forget like, subscribe and share.